So when I'm in the VLSL lab, one of our students like have done the work in the fourth PC. They have created some files. They have created some user-defined library, Synopsys library, and they wanted to continue the work like into the some other PC. Like if he is done like work in the fourth PC, they wanted to continue into the 14th PC for suppose. And one more example, when three people are sitting together and doing the work in three PCs and created three different modules, and now in the fourth PC they wanted to sit and they wanted to bring the three files and they wanted to combine into the another PC where they have to create a new library under which all these three files need to be loaded. So that using these three files, using these three modules, they will be creating some other module. So there is a top level module which is the combination of the three sub modules which is created by three different people in three different PCs, right? So now to explain the procedure, to go through the procedure, I will be using this app, a mobile server app, and there is a terminals like I'll open it here. Through these terminals and through the SSH command, I will go through the secure login into the PCs. One over here into system 4 and another one over here into the 14th PC. So let me go into the secure login into the 4th PC right now through the SSH commands. SSH -x root login. I will go into the root login. Root host ID of that particular PC. 4th PC is 10.45.112.92. Yes. So now we can see it over here. These and all the drives that we have it in the 4th PC. This is MTech VLSA 4, the 4th PC. I'm now in the 4th PC. So whatever that operations that I wanted to do it on the 4th PC, through this I can do it. So through this terminal I can do it. The same way, let me do the secure login into the 14th PC also through the same command SSH -x and -z also. This one for when you want to do go to the secure login and also like you wanted to open the simulator, that simulator which will be opened in the GUI format, the GUI window also you wanted to see. For that you have to use this command -z. I just wanted to log in into the root @10.45.51.179. That is the host ID of the 14th PC. So let me enter. Right. So I'm in the 14th PC. So this is the terminal where I can do the every operation and in a 14th PC. So this is the terminal where you can see it over here. We are MBLSA 4th system, MBLSA 14th PC, 14th system. So now I have two PCs right now where from this app itself I can control them. And what I wanted to do is in the 4th PC, as I said, there is some work. So the work is in home folder and in the Synopsys, in the libraries, in the 32 nanometer technology, and this is the folder that I wanted to copy. So if you click on this one, this is the user defined library with the name Ganesh_lib. So these are the files that I have created. So 60 SRAM cell means that layout is created and the schematic is created. All these files that I have it. And along with the 6 transistor SRAM cell, 8 transistor SRAM cell, and some other modules also we have it. And now what I wanted to do is I will be designing an architecture for the 6 transistor SRAM cell by using the 6 transistor cell. So architecture means like combining the 60 for multiple times. That will be the top level module I wanted to do it. For that, when I wanted to do that kind of the work in the 14th PC, now I have to create it all the things, libraries and everything. I have to create it in the 14th PC. So I feel difficult with that. So I wanted to bring the work, copy the work from the 4th PC to the 14th PC. So let me show you how it can be done. So now this is the drive where I have the files. So now what I do is I will be going into the 14th PC and there I will be using SCP commands. SCP means that I have to copy the files which is there in the 4th PC. Right. So 4th PC where I have files are. So here this is the path I can see. Right. The same path. Let me copy it over here. SCP -r root at 10.45.112. 112.92. This is the host ID of the fourth PC. So from this PC, from which location we can copy the location. We have copied the location. This is the path that I have there. So let me click on this one also. So this is the path of that particular folder. So where we have all the files, all the files. Right. So let me paste it here. Yes, and the star means whatever the files that we have it in the library, that we can copy it from this, so this is the path where we have all the files will be copied, and it will be located into the same root at the rate 10.45.51. At the rate 10.45.51.179. Yes. So into this PC, into the particular location, like let me show you the location where I wanted to load. So into the home folder in the same location, where like a fourth PC of the same location, into the 10th PC of the 14th PC of the same location. So Synopsys is the folder, library is the another drive folder into that, and 32 where I have to copy it into this one. So let me copy this one, and where I wanted to create a folder here with the name Ganesh underscore new library. So this is what my new library I will be creating over here. So give it OK. Yes. So now this is the path. Let me copy. Yes. So if you see it properly, so there is a location in the fourth PC. This is the host ID of the fourth PC, and this is the drive link. The files which we have it all will be copied into the 14th PC. This is the host ID of the 14th PC. Sorry, like we have given a 2 backslash, so it will be showing as error. Right? Home Synopsys and SAID Ganesh new. This is the location where it will be copied. Yes. So let me enter. So it will be asking the password of 92. 92 in the sense it is the fourth PC. You give the password of the particular PC if you know, and it also asks the password of the 14th PC also. Give the password of that one also. Then it will be doing that same operation of copying, right? So these and all files will be copied. So after that it will be terminated. So now if you see this path, right? So when we are in the 14th PC, this is what 14th PC, these and all drives comes under the 14th PC. Now you can see there is a folder which we have created, Ganesh underscore new lib, so which was empty as of now. Now these are the files is loaded right now, right, from the fourth PC. So the operation of copying the files, which is from the fourth PC to the 14th PC, is done. Now what we have to do is we have to do the simulation through the Synopsys Custom Compiler for these files, and I have to continue the work. So for that, whatever like a library which we have it, that library we have to, this is called user defined library, that we have to add to the Synopsys Custom Compiler tool. So now let me open the Custom Compiler GUI. So there, like in the 14th PC, I'm opening SSH, sorry, TCSH, and let me invoke that source file. So let me show you the source file where it will be is. Yes. So in the home folder, yes, in the home folder, in the Synopsys, I will be having setup file. This is the setup file. So if I source this one, all the tools will be invoked. So let me source this one. Source means give the double click, or else you give the path. So what I do is I will be writing the path manually, or else like you can copy that location also, the location which we have it, that location you can copy it here. So where in the home location, where I'm in the home location, backslash home Synopsys, that is the folder in which I have a setup file. Setup file. So this is what the CSH file that we have to source it. Okay, and the custom compiler. just let me open the custom compiler. So the custom compiler is the name that will be mentioned in the SCSH file. So once you use that particular keyword custom compiler, automatically once the source file is invoking all the softwares, which will particularly invokes the custom compiler tool itself. So now we have the custom compiler tool which is opened here. Even we are in the remote server, and we can access it the custom compiler tool which is running in the 14th PC. Now this tool is running in the 14th PC, and that every simulation, whatever the operations we do it, everything will be done in the 14th PC itself, not in our system where we are sitting now. Library manager. So we cannot see that any files over here, because we have to open the custom compiler tool only in the particular drive where we have the libraries. So now let me close it once, exit, and let me see that where the path we have pwd. This is where I'm in the root, but what we have to do is we have to enter into the into the Synopsys and libraries and into the 32. So here I have to do the simulation, means I have to invoke the tools into this folder itself, right? So now what I do is, whatever the path that we have it, let me give that path to go into that directory, change directory, right? So now I'm entering to that directory, enter. So now I'm in the library. So now we have to invoke the tool. So the same procedure, tcsh, and source the particular csh file, source where at a home folder, and synopsys folder, setup file. So let me invoke that, and let me use that custom compiler, so that the tool will be invoked from 14th PC right now. So this is how GUI window for the custom compiler will be open now, and where you can see this is how the custom compiler GUI will be open, and where we can see that libraries. So whatever the libraries we can see it here, all will be visible over here. Right, you can see that HSpace, and you can see that inverter, and you can see that mini 12, everything will be visible over here. If you delete here, and it will be deleted, right? But one thing that we have to observe is the Ganesh underscore new lib, that is the folder that even we have copied, that you cannot see it here, because you didn't create that user defined library, right, from the GUI, right? So that that file will be loaded into the partner drive, but you have manually loaded into the folder, but you don't know, the tool don't know, that will not be invoked into the tool. So now let me show you that user defined library, how it will be added into the libraries that we have it. There is a file and library defined editor, library definition editor, and there you have to go with the add new row, and there you define. Yes, define. So the library name is this one. This is the library that we have to add it here. Ganesh underscore new library. Yes, the path is in the same location, dot slash Ganesh underscore new library. Yes, enter. Sorry, I forgot to give that lib extension. Save, refresh. Yes, so this is where I can show you the Ganesh underscore new library, which will be loaded into the custom compiler GUI. And so here you can see that all the files which we have created it in the 4th PC, the same files and same library, user defined library with all the cells, we can load into the GUI of 14th PC Synopsys custom compiler. So this is what all the cells that we can see it over here, SM cell that which we have created in the 4th PC, that we can see it here also. So now we wanted to extend any work, it can be done from this one, right? Give right click and you give right click. You can create a new cell. You can create a new cell, give that name of this one, create a 60 transistor, some extension you wanted to do it. You can copy, you can create that cell, and whatever the circuits that we have that we can load into that particular cell, so we can continue the work. So this is the procedure of how we copy the library, user defined library from the one system to the another system, and how that particular library will be added into the library manager of the custom compiler.